The pool being used for this video is the 9-foot by 18-foot by 52-inch rectangular frame pool. Your pool may differ slightly in the number of parts involved in the assembly depending upon size. Check that you have all the parts as listed in your manual. Do not start assembly if parts are missing. Call Intex Consumer Service for replacement parts. It is important to set up your pool on a completely level surface to keep the water balanced. Leave at least 6 feet of clear area on all sides of the pool to accommodate the side supports. Make sure the selected location is within reach by your garden hose and a GFCI type electrical outlet, because the pool should never be moved with water in it. Do not put the pool right against your house. Envision the traffic patterns around the pool and see where you can place the filter pump without people tripping over the electric cord. Some communities require fenced enclosures. Check with your city for local requirements. Before unrolling the pool, clear the area thoroughly of any object that would puncture the pool when it is in use. Ground cloths can also provide additional protection and should be carefully spread out to cover the area. Now you are ready to set up the pool. Unroll the pool liner on top of the ground cloth, making sure it is right side up. Do not drag the pool across the ground, since that may result in leaks. Locate the filter connecting holes. Make sure they are facing the area where you will put the pump. Double check to be sure that a GFCI type electrical outlet is within reach by the power cord. Allow the sun to warm the liner for easier beam insertion. Separate the beams by letter designation, A, B, C, etc. Be sure the liner is fully opened and spread out to the fullest extent on top of the ground cloth. Starting with one long side, slide an A beam, white ring first, into the sleeve opening located in the corner. Continue with B beams snapping into the A beam. It will be easier if another person holds the sleeve open as the beams are pushed into the sleeve. The assembly diagram in your instruction manual indicates the number of B beams required for your pool. Finish the side with a C beam. Keep the metal beam aligned with the white sleeve holes. Slide the beams into the other side in the same pattern. Assemble the beams in the ends of the liner, starting with a D beam, then an E beam if included for your pool, and ending with an F beam. Again, check the hole alignment with the sleeves. Before inserting the large U-shaped side supports into the frame, slide the restrainer straps onto them as shown. Keep the pool liner frame flat on the ground to make insertion of the supports easier. Squeeze the bottom buttons of the double button spring clips. Insert the support ends into the beam holes and release to secure the top buttons inside the beam. Repeat this procedure for all the supports. To erect the pool, you may raise one wall at a time, or if you have 4 people assembling, all the walls may be raised at once. Immediately pull the liner straps at each corner toward the restraining straps. Connect the liner straps to the restrainer straps by inserting connector rods. Connect all the rest of the supports to the liner straps and pull all of the supports out taut at the bottom. Consult your local pool supply or home improvement center for advice on suitable pads to put under the supports if your ground is not solid or is covered with asphalt. Position the long wall top rails so they are leaning over the short wall top rails. Install the corner braces as shown. Please refer to the main menu for ladder assembly instructions before continuing to set up your pool. Using the ladder, enter the pool to smooth out the liner all around and check that the plugs are inserted into the 2 drain valves. Push all corners of the liner outward. On the outside, check that the drain caps are screwed on securely. Finally, recheck the filter connector holes to see if they are still facing the area where you will put the filter pump. Make adjustment if necessary. Please set up your filter pump before filling the pool with water. Refer to the menu options to select the appropriate filter pump assembly video.